Topic rounding decimal numbers. We are going to start with exercise 1.2. In exercise point 2, we have to fill a blank that dash rounded to the nearest whole number. So first we need to check the position of the arrow. If we check the position of the arrow, this is on 34.4. So before rounding to the nearest whole number, first we need to check the position of the 10th number. So if we check the position of the red number, 10th number, so we can see that the 10th number is on 4. So check the number. This number is basically the less than 5. If the 10th number is basically the less than 5, then the number is rounding down to the nearest. Rounding down to the nearest whole number. So rounding down means we need to go back. So the number that is rounding back is basically the 34. So first number is 34.4. That is rounding down. So the number is 34. So let's be starting with the second question. In the question 2, Zara has 4 number cards. Zara has 4 number cards. The first number card is 36.5, second is 35.4, 36.4 and 35.1. She rounds each number to the nearest whole number. So which of her number rounds to 36? We know that 36.5. Here in the first card, the number is 36.5. So in 36.5, the 10 digit is 5, that is closer to 37 because the number 10th is basically 5. 35.4, the number is 35.4. Here the 10 digit is 4, so the number is rounded to the nearest round whole number. So the rounded whole number is 35. While if we see the 36.4, so here 36.4, the 10th digit is 4. So the number, when the number is round down to the whole number, so the nearest whole number is 36. So what is the best option for us? The best option for us is 36.4. So the answer of this one is 36.4. In question number 3, draw an arrow. We are supposed to draw an arrow to match each number line to the nearest whole number. 7.4, the 10 digit is closer to 7 because the 10 digit is closer to 7. So this is the arrow that is closer to 7. So in the next one, 8.5, the 10 digit is 5. 5 is basically the greater than 5, so the number is closer to what? The number is closer to 9. Okay, so the next box is 8.2. The 10 digit is basically less than 5, so the number is closer to 8. So the next digit is 9.9. 9.9.9, the 10 digit is basically greater than 5, so the number is closer to 10. But if we see 9.4, 0.4 is less than 5, so the number is closer to 9. And 10.7, the number is closer to 11 because the 10 digit is greater than 5. In 10.1, the number is basically closer to 10 because the 10 digit is less than 5. In 11.5, the 10 digit is basically is 5, so the number is closer to 12. So in question number 4 of the Cambridge 5 mathematics, write a number. We are supposed to write a number with one decimal place to complete each number sentence. So dash rounds to 1. Dash rounds to 1. So we need a decimal number that we round it off so that it rounds to 1. So we have a multiple choice here. We can also write 0.6 because in 0.6 the 10th number is greater than 5, so the number is nearest to 1. Or you can write 1.2 or 1.3, like 1.1. So many other example multiple choices are there. So in second case, we are supposed to write a number, any one decimal number of your choice that's rounds to 10. So we have again a multiple choices here. So we can write a number like 9.6. We know that 9.6, the 10 digit is greater than 6, greater than 5. So the number is nearest to 10. Or we can also write like this, the 10.1. So the 10 digit is basically the less than 5. So we have multiple choices here to do that number. Okay. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and get the bell icon to get the more notifications. Guys, hope you are good. Today I'm again starting with rounding of the decimal. In the last class, as we had previously discussed, when the number is 5 or greater than 5, we round up the number to the nearest whole number. While when the number is less than 5, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we round down the number to the nearest whole number. So in this question number 1, a number line is given down that is showing the position of an arrow. So we are supposed to complete the sentence for this number. So in the first blank, round to the nearest whole number is dash. Dash rounded. Okay, so we are supposed to find out a number that is rounded up to the nearest whole number. So we will check the position of the arrow. We can see the arrow is on the position of 34, and after 34, the arrow is after the four lines is basically the 34.4. So in the first blank, we will write 34.4. We can see that in 34.4 we will check what is the 10th number. The 10th number is 4, that is less than 5. The 10th number is 4, that is less than 5. The number that is rounded off if less than 5, if the 10th number is less than 5, that the then the whole number is rounded to then the number is rounded down to the nearest whole number. Rounded down, it means we will back to the 34. Guys, hope you are good. Today I'm again.